Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll API 403 error. First, check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or internet connection off and wait for a few seconds. Then turn it back on and make sure you are connected to a stable and reliable network before continuing. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes prevent Crunchyroll from communicating properly with its servers. Now open the Run tab by pressing Windows and R on your keyboard. Here, type %temp% and click OK. You will see a folder containing temporary files stored by applications in your browser. Now select all the files and delete them. If some files cannot be deleted because they are currently in use, simply skip them and continue with the remaining files. Next, go back and open the Run tab again. This time, type temp and click OK here. Delete all the files in this folder as well. Clearing these temporary files can help remove corrupted data that may be causing loading or connection issues. After that, open the Recycle bin. Now click on Empty Recycle bin and then click Yes to permanently remove all deleted files and free up additional storage space. Then go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for Updates and allow Windows to search for the latest updates. If updates are available, download and install them completely. Updated system files can improve compatibility with modern websites and streaming services. After that, go back and restart your computer. Once your computer starts again, open Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Here, click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data. Now select the preferred time range. For a more complete cleanup, you can choose all time. Then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click on Delete Data from this device and wait for the cleanup process to finish completely. Now go back to the desktop and right-click on the taskbar. Here, click on Task Manager. Then check the Processes tab and look for applications that are using a large amount of memory, CPU, or network resources. Close unnecessary programs that you are not currently using. Next, click on the Performance tab and review your system resources to make sure your computer is running smoothly. After that, close Task Manager and reopen Google Chrome. Now visit the Crunchyroll website and sign into your account again. Wait for the page to load completely and then try opening the content that was showing the API 403 error. If you are using a VPN proxy service or browser extension, you may also want to disable it temporarily and test Crunchyroll again. In many cases, clearing temporary files, updating Windows, refreshing browser data, and improving system performance can help resolve access and connection issues. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.